Hi children, today we are going to study about your next topic, chapter number 1, power sharing from democratic politics, class 10th, social science. And till now we have studied under this power sharing chapter. There were ethnic compositions in two countries, that was Belgium and Sri Lanka. Then how these ethnic communities were accommodated in Belgium and Sri Lanka. So we have a comparatively study regarding Sri Lanka. There were ethnic composition that were based upon majoritarianism. Okay, in Belgium it was based upon accommodation, and if we compare it with India, India also there is accommodation of diversities, right? So that we have seen based upon ethnic composition how different countries of the world accommodate their diversities, establish their rule, majority and minority based democratic rule or dictatorship and whatsoever are there. So today our topic is power sharing. Why power sharing is desirable? Although I have told it in the beginning by examples also, hopefully you have understood. Once again, I am going to divide it into two reasons, right? Why power sharing is desirable, why the different countries, why the different economies of the world, political administration of the world, even democratic or non-democratic want to share the power. Very, very important. Democracy we can't imagine without power sharing, but even the non-democratic countries of the world also believe in power sharing. Why? That's why I have given this heading, why power sharing is desirable. क्यों चाहते हैं लोग पावर शेयरिंग होना चाहिए, वाई दिस पावर शेयरिंग इज डिजायरेबल इन द डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, डिफरेंट डेमोक्रेसीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. तो as we know that power, when we share the power, ultimately it reduces the conflicts. As I gave you one example कि किसी को मैंने बोला चेयर उठानी है, डस्टर मॉनिटर है, क्लास वर्क रजिस्टर है, अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर है, लाइट्स फैंस, लाइक दिस एंड दैट. You all have different type of responsibilities. If I have divided, ultimately you will do. If I haven't divided, some of you will neglect also, they ignore also. Okay, मैम ने कौन सा बोलना है, why will do. So that was also there. So in this way, when we share the power, give the responsibilities in a simple words, we can say people are more responsible. Not only people, even the governments are responsible, right? You have read in your 9th class cabinet or council, तो उसमें भी लोगों को डिपार्टमेंट वाइज पॉलिटिकल मेंबर्स आर गिवन देयर डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दे हैव टू एक्ट. लाइक इन स्कूल वी हैव different type of subjects responsibility, accordingly we are acting, right? So subject subdivisions are like that. So ultimately it reduces the conflicts. Power sharing reduces the conflicts. Different departments have different powers, and moreover they don't interfere anyone. If anybody is given to implement irrigation law, nobody will say education department will not interfere there. If some work is done by the education department, irrigation will not interfere there because it is not their authority, and vice versa. They are interlinked. Okay, so very, very important. I have divided into one is prudential reason and second is moral reason. As we know that prudential, if literary we say that, it means based upon the profit and losses, gains calculation method, right? It literary, if we say, it is based upon the calculations of profits, gains, right? कितना हमें नुकसान हो रहा है, कितना फ़ायदा हो रहा है किसी चीज़ का. तो that's why we share the power. We don't want to make any loss of the country as well as neither of the country nor of the citizens. That's why we share the power, so that everybody get equal power. It reduces the conflicts among the citizens and different organs of the government as well as the levels of the government. That's why we share the power. That's why we share the power. It reduces the conflicts. Under this heading, I have told you two power sharing की forms मैंने बताई थी. अभी two I'll tell you afterwards. One is based upon organs and one is based upon levels. Organs, I told you, that is horizontal power sharing, and or levels, that is vertical power sharing. Better outcome, better results. That's why we share the responsibility. That's why power is shared, because it will give us better outcome. Moreover, it reduces the conflicts, better outcome, right? And if we talk about moral reason, it is moral reason, morality, what tells us about the good and bad. About the good and bad morality, we learn from moral values, right? Even mother, your teacher, class teacher, everyone, elders always try to teach about the moral values. And morality tells, to maintain this morality, we differentiate the work done by the citizen, either by the citizen or the government, based upon good and bad results, right? So that's why when we differentiate good and bad, that is morality, right? That is morality. And moral reason is the very spirit of democracy. Morality or power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. And moreover, it gives the value to everyone. It gives the value, one who is doing work and the one for whom the work is being done. Very fantastically, one who is doing the work, the one for whom the work is being done, and you may take its plural form, the people who are working and for whom that work is being done. In political administration, who are working, our representatives, MLA, MPs, chief minister, prime minister, president, like that, right? And for whom they are working at the different levels, center level, state level, and local level, but citizens are the same, but their level of working is different, because they are being given power sharing, right? उनकी पावर जो है वो शेयर की गई है. That's why it is like that. One reason is prudential, second reason is moral. Very very important question. It is from the examination point of view. Common, frequently this question is asked in board exams also. For that you have to mention an example from Indian reference to context. If I take example prudential reason, it means to say reservation of different categories based upon SCs, OBCs, STCs, or in some elections women are given representation. Then 1/3 seats are reserved in the local government for women. If we talk about moral reason, that is freedom to religion. Easy to learn, freedom to religion, that also gives us the very spirit of democracy. India, freedom to religion, in other words, we can call India as a secular state. धर्मनिरपेक्ष बोलते हैं, मीन टू से गवर्नमेंट डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग विद रिलीजन. Citizens may adopt any religion, may not adopt any religion, may change, may not change, whatsoever they want. Government don't make any interference, because India wanted democracy to establish democracy. That is the very spirit of democracy in these reasons. Very spirit of democracy. That's why we have power sharing is desirable here. In this way, the children keep on studying, and I'm going to tell you two power sharing के जो हमारे रह गए थे. We have left 2 points regarding power sharing, that is under prudential reason. This was the question, why power sharing is desirable. Now I am going to tell you about 4 forms of power sharing. 4 forms of power sharing. ठीक ठीक है, 4 forms of power sharing. तो फर्स्ट वन वी हैव डन, power is shared among the different organs. Second, we have done power is shared at different levels of the government. Right? And third one that we have discussed earlier also in my previous lecture. And the third today we are going to do, that is power is shared among the different political parties. And fourth one is social groups. Social groups, right? Community based base. And political party, it is the, as we know that democracy, power sharing, moral reason, that is the very spirit of democracy. In democracies, citizens are given freedom. I mean to say they are given power. That is power sharing. People of same ideology or some number of people can get them organized based upon their own principles, right? Guidelines, their symbols, their whatsoever they want to work under the unified umbrella. They can get united and work, but condition is that they have to work under the constitutional framework, not beyond the limit. Whatsoever target, whatsoever objectives, whatsoever ideology they want to establish, they have power, they have responsibility, they have this authority that is given by the constitution, but there is limitation also. Only that under the constitutional framework they can form their political parties. For the formation of the political party there is a shared responsibility, right? लोगों के पास citizen of Indian or Indian citizens have this responsibility, this power, this authority, they can form their political parties. Government will not interfere. Even people frame political party based upon religion, based upon caste, even based upon gender. महिला मंडल मोर्चा आपने सुना होगा, श्रोमणी अकाली दल सुना हुआ है, किसान एकता सुना है, हिंदू महासभा, like that, right? Like इस टाइप से गवर्नमेंट cannot interfere, will not interfere. Moreover, then not only political parties, there are social groups. Right, I will make here difference. Social group, just people get assemble. They don't have their any appropriate leader. They don't have any quest for the political power. They don't want to contest election. In other words, they can call pressure groups also. Just to pressurize the government as well as the citizen. On the behalf of citizens, they pressurize the government, right? They don't have to contest election, they don't want any political power, कोई भी उनको पावर नहीं चाहिए, they just act like a pressure groups भी इनको बोला जाता है. It is a full chapter over there in your book, chapter number 5th, right? So that we'll discuss there only. So that is the one form of power share in Indian political system, in Indian political administration. Social, even people can form their social group. That is the power. 4 forms of power sharing में जो 4th form है, that is power sharing. They have this power that they can frame their group, set up some protocol for themselves and work accordingly. Once again, it is should be there under the constitutional framework. As we know that where we have rights, at the same time our duties also start. Same time our duty also start. Rights and duties go side by side. So we must not take extra benefit. If we take, ultimately we would be punished for that. So under the constitutional framework, there are 4 forms of power sharing. Power is shared among the different organs of the government. That are organs: legislature, executive, judiciary. In other words, it is called horizontal power sharing also. Levels of the government in this way, okay, center level, state level and local level, it is called vertical power sharing. And then political parties also can be of national level, this state level, or without any level they can do their work. And exactly same way there are different social group, they can be formed based upon any basis, right? Religion हो सकता है, gender हो सकता है, और in this way. तो almost this chapter is completed. Try to revise this. Bye students.